Kung mawala ang income source, unsay mahitabo sa pamilya? Hi, I'm Daduri, Life and Wealth Advisor, husband, and proud tatay. Today, I'll share 3 powerful reasons why every breadwinner needs protection. Number 1, income replacement. Kung mawala ang provider, mawala po ang monthly cash flow. Insurance acts as a safety net para padayon gihapon ang family needs. Number 2, peace of mind. Walay kapalit ang kalinaw sa hunahuna. When you know your family is secured, makafocus ka sa imong trabaho o sa imong pamilya. Number 3, future security. Education, housing, o retirement. Dili mo undang tungod lang sa emergency. Insurance bridges today and tomorrow. Kung ikaw ang breadwinner, ayaw hulata nga emergency pa ang magpa-realize nimo. Message me today and let's secure your families tomorrow. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people. Empowering the future, one family at a time.